How to sign up for PNC Banking account online. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can sign up for your PNC Bank account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to Play Store and make sure that you have downloaded PNC Bank app in your device. If not, tap onto the search bar and type in PNC. This is the application that you should download. Now tap on Install. Launch your app once you have installed it and you will see this page. Under here, tap on Yes, but I don't have a user ID. Here, tap on Enroll on your bottom left corner. Here, you need to complete the 5 steps to get enrolled in your PNC online and mobile banking. Starting with the identification information, select any of these. They will use this to verify your ID. If you have any of these, toggle on the option, but in case you don't have any of these, tap on I don't have any of these, then you will be required to enter your password number. And under account information, enter your PNC account number or your personal debit or credit card number. And moving on, under verify your information, select one of the following options. If you would like to enter your PNC debit card PIN, select the first option. In case you don't have any of these, you can tap on Receive one-time password sent to your phone number. As you do so, tap on to Next. At this box, simply type in your mobile or phone number and where you will receive a one-time password. Once done, tap on to Next. And at the next page, give your information that has been asked and follow the on-screen prompt to create yourself an PNC account. That is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.